this clip, we will see why it's a bad idea to text while driving.
Whoa! Ah! You mother... Why the fuck were you looking at your phone, officer?
I got a text from a fucking another officer here. Give me a second.
You motherfucker. Oh. 396. God damn it. Why were you texting? I don't care if you're texting.
I wasn't texting. I was looking at my phone.
Either way.
Yeah, I know. That was my bad.
Why are you doing that in a turn?
I wasn't paying attention.
Officer, holy shit, dude. Ah. I can walk. How's my arm look?
Your arm's fine.
How about this one?
You're fine.
I need...
There's no braces. That's the only braces you got right there.
Jesus fucking A. You got one here. Right. You got band-aids?
Yep, I do.
I guarantee you my frame's cracked.
Bicycles.
Due to conflict of interest, the police officer had another jurisdiction come and do the police report. Just watch how well this driver handles the icy roads.
Fuck me, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck.
confirm he's underneath the semi. We're going to need the FD up here immediately.
This Uber driver is having a bad day. Take a look.
Hey, could you just keep going straight to the freeway?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, just get on the freeway, don't turn right there. Just keep going straight to the freeway, don't turn.
Yeah, okay.
Keep going straight to the freeway.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Oh shit. What is this?
I don't know. What's going on?
Oh no.
Hands up! Hands up, Rashad! Hands on top of your head! Watch your fingers! Hands up for me, you're fine, you're fine.
Alright, you're good, man. Just hang tight here for 1 second.
Yeah, scare me to death. Okay. All right, how are you? What's going on, man?
Just a wanna
He was, yeah, he was kind of putting. He asked me if he could lay down because he said his leg hurt. And I'm thinking that's a weird request.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
We had somebody, a neighbor calling about him, some guy in the car. Are you okay with us checking your car?
Yeah,
Okay.
no, that's fine. You can check my car. I'm just trying to make a buck.
All right, coming out. We'll check it real quick. Get you on your way.
Yeah.
Go for it. Did he come in with any backpacks or anything yet, or no?
No. He just asked me if he could lay down because he said his leg was hurting, and that was the only weird thing he said. You know?
It's hard to see him. He was in the back.
I told you, I said I could only see the driver. That's great. So he laid in the back seat?
Yeah.
I'm not going through that.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.